to El Lago de Coatepeque right now. We have arrived. We're not there yet, but we're going down this mountain to get there. We're gonna go on a ferry ride, and we're gonna have food there, I think. And then we might go jet skiing, like a poop poop. Qué bonito. Mami estaba agarrando paterna. He looks like a vegetable.
It tastes like a green bean.
Oh, the jet skis. El Lago. Frozen de café. You do, but it's a light. You don't look that dark. Right? Mommy too. Mommy look dark too. I'm just always white, so. Oh, this is good. It could use more ice, but it's good. I feel like I'm in my Play it back. Ya está el gran faro.
Ya sí tiene, mira.
So, El Lago de Coatepeque is inside of an old volcano that erupted and then it just remained dormant. And the water is a different kind of water. I don't know. I think it's made of like the bacteria or whatever is inside makes the water turn turquoise during a set time period. It probably takes like an hour and a half to 2 hours to actually go around the entire lago unless you're going inside the water. There's also thermal springs in some parts of Coatepeque, which is like warmer water, but like the water that's like immediately around like to the shore is usually kind of cold, but that water, because it's close to like the volcanic area, is hotter. I wasn't hungry when we were ordering, but the food took like an hour and then I was hungry, but whatever. That's a hot spring, which is supposed to be steaming hot. popping in to say I ended up driving the jet ski for me and Nelly after one of them came back, and it was really fun. I drove it fast and then we switched and then Nelly did it. It was so fun. It was the first time I was able to drive a jet ski, ride a jet ski. Ugh, it was amazing. Then we got into the water and we were swimming. I don't think Yenny swam with us, and I got so scared because I was wearing water shoes. I took those things off. I was trying to swim, but literally, okay, after it gets so deep, like it's like shallow like this for like probably like the first like 5 feet from the shore, right? And then it just like there's like it's like a huge like, you know, and there's like seaweed and stuff. Oh my god, I was terrified because I could not swim. My foot cramped up and I got so scared. I literally got so scared, and I was like, nope, no. I took those things off and I got out, and I was like, I went back to swimming, but like, oh my goodness, that was so terrifying. I didn't record it. I was so sad I didn't record it. I don't know why I didn't record it. I think I thought that somebody was recording me swimming, and I don't know where that footage went. But yeah, we went swimming and then we got back on the boat and we went back to the starting point. Does it work? I'm currently wearing Nelly's sunglasses because there's no sun, but I have a huge pimple in the middle of my forehead. Look, right there. Look at the flowers. Ah!
Ahí no. Ahora la podemos.
Oh, okay. You got FOMO. You're missing out. They're almonds. Creo que ya nos vamos, no estoy segura.
Muerde pone rojo.
Mira.
No, es que no.
Al morderla, mira, queda rojo. Es que no le gusta.
It's almonds. That don't look like an almond. We have to break it. We have to break it.
Está bueno.
Delicioso.
Y dale a la almendra.
Está rico. Adentro trae el chicle, que es la almendra.
Chicle.
Es un ejemplo. Cómete.
Podemos ir a comer breakfast en la mañana.
We're deciding where we're gonna eat.
Sí.
We're starting to leave. Va a hacerse más fuerte.
Vámonos a la alegre entonces.
Vámonos porque
Y ya pensamos. Sí, porque vamos
Vamos a la Alegra. Las dos cosas.
Estás tú.
Mira.
Restaurante y hostel.
Hotel.
Ay, de la casa.
Yo tengo pate guerrero mayo, hombre. Qué gota más. Pate guerrero maya.
Here's ARC stuff. I'm gonna change. He proposed to me in the thermal springs. It was really romantic. I kept the rock she gave me because it doesn't have a band. It's beautiful. Look how expensive it is. It doesn't have the cascara now. Oh! Look! There's an almond.
That's
in
the
there.
almond right there.
What?
I broke it, but that's the almond.
Vámonos, que me está picando la... Okay, les voy a decir una cosa. Empezó a llover bastante. Like there was like a rainstorm, like it was storming, and because it was like up a volcano and like down into like the crater of the volcano or like the mountainy side, the roads are not an actual road. Like it's not an actual road. It's like mostly dirt. So that rain was gonna be a really weird and difficult drive going down and up all those little valleys and hills. So my mom was scared to drive, which makes sense. I mean, it literally was pouring rain, and we wanted to go to like the nearest hotel. Like we just needed to find a hotel, and we found that one. We are in Hotel Alegría. Rancho Alegría is an hotel. It's a hotel and a restaurant. We're like, okay, we looked at the hotel like online, and it looked really nice, looked pretty, you know. I mean, it was like $65 a night, and we literally just needed to sleep. That's it. But this is the room. It has two, a little bit bigger than like twin beds, and a bathroom, and this gigantic TV over there. This is the biggest TV in the world, the most biggest window ever, and a fan. But it's cold outside, so it's cool in here. We're gonna spend the night here, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to Portezuelo Parque de Aventuras. We went there and like we saw the hotel. We were like, oh my goodness, like nothing works. So my uncle and my mom went out like driving, looking around, but most of the hotels were either booked because of a lot of people doing last minute like hotel like doing things because of the rain, right? Or like it was like 150 a night, and there was this one hotel that was nice-ish, but like they had like a limit on how many people could go in, and it was like 9 of us. It was like almost 10 people. Rancho Alegría is like a family owned, so there's like 2 properties in Coatepeque, and the one we were staying at was the property of one of the sons, I guess, or maybe like the grandpa, I don't know. And then the other one that's like closer to like the actual restaurant called Rancho Alegría, that one was bigger and it was nicer, and they took a little bit more care of it. Still, I mean, it's still $65 a night, but it was way better than the last one. Like
Alright, we ended up going to another hotel owned by the same place as the other ones, but they're like different. So it's bigger, has 3 beds, has bigger space. It's purple again. The shower looks slightly better than the other one, which I didn't show because it was really bad. I mean, this place is bigger too, I guess.
It still didn't have water because the water shuts off like after like 10, I guess, so it didn't matter. But most people like took showers in the morning and stuff when the water came back, so it was like, yeah. But everyone was so tired because we were swimming, we were on the jet skis, we were out and open, we were like awake almost all day, and it was getting late and we hadn't eaten. So he's not feeling too good. He's tired, he's sleepy. Nobody really wants to go out, but we haven't had food since like 1 or 2. So this is the decoration. There's a table right here we can put stuff, but we put everything on the floor. There's the toucan and this bird. Here's the TV that doesn't work because they don't pay cable here. It's too loud over there, so we're gonna eat here. Oh my god, Coca-Cola. I attacked a bottle of Coke and it exploded. This is my food and everybody's eating now. I forgot what I was gonna say. We woke up it's 11, but that means like the breakfast stuff is over. We want to get on the ferry, so we are going to this restaurant called Las Palmeras. Oh, there's a bunch of turtles. Got our food. I got a carrot cake from a restaurant in Las Palmeras, and I got coffee without milk. Everybody else got different stuff, but then I got a chocolate cake. We ordered a family platter. So like it was supposed to be for 4 people, but all 9 of us ate, except Ali and Naeem. With that, we all are gonna share that. We're all taking plates from there, and Naeem's not feeling too good. His stomach is kind of upset right now, but we're gonna eat this. Grandma is giving everybody food. I'm getting a headache. I had a headache last night, but I thought it was because I was tired, but it's still here. Oh, there's Nelly again.
about a park in that section right there.
¿A dónde comer frutas buenas? En la playa. En la playa. No, en Cuco no,